Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about the cyber attack of Chinese in 5 days 4,000 cases. Cyber attack of Indian information technology infrastructure and banking, a top policy official in Maharashtra said on Tuesday. Internet users should be watchful for such attacks, including attempts, and conduct cyber security audit of their IT system. Officials of Maharashtra Cyber, the state police cybering wing said. The spurt in online attack from across the border was noticed after the tension rose between the two countries in eastern Ladakh and said by the Yashasvi Yadav. Maharashtra Cyber collect information um, about these attempts, and most of them were found to have originated from Chengdu area in China, he said. According to our information, at least 40,300 cyber attacks were attempted in the last 4 to 5 days on the resources of Indian cyberspace. The attack aimed at causing issues such as denial of service, hijacking of internet protocol, and phishing. Indian internet users should pay attention to threat of such attack, create robust firewall, and conduct cyber security audit. As I already teach you what is a firewall, it protect you from the threat of cyber hackers, and so you must use the robust firewall. The hackers are suspected to have a database of some 20 lakh Indian email ID. Through email ID, they are hacking your personal information, so be careful and save your password and code for by sending they are sending the fraudulent email, and through which they are uh, hacking your personal information, and fraudulent email ID was found to NOV 2019 at the rate of government.in, which sent a bogus information about free COVID-19 testing for residents of Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Ahmedabad, official want. और उसके थ्रू वो ईमेल भेज करके आपको फ्री में कोविड टेस्टिंग के लिए बोलेंगे और आपकी पूरी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन को हैक कर लेंगे. Such emails are designed to drive a recipient towards a fake website where they deceived into downloading malicious files or entering personal and financial information. CERT said in the statement. People are tricked into the clicking a malicious link which can lead to install of malware system, freezing or revealing of sensitive information. और इस तरह से आपकी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन वो ले लेते हैं. These malicious actors are planning to spoof or create a fake email ID. When they know the all information of your email ID, then they create the fake email ID, and on behalf of you, they are doing the whole of your work and taking your all information, such as and COVID-19 at the rate Guarantee attack campaign is expected to start on June 21, 2020. It is started on June 21, 2020. The Cyber Security Agency said people shouldn't open attachment in unsolicited email, even if they come from people in their contact list. Any usual activity or attack should be reported immediately at the incident at the rate certin.org.in. यहाँ पर आप इंसिडेंट एट द रेट सर्ट इन और इन पे इन्फॉर्म कर सकते हैं विथ लॉग्स एंड ईमेल हेडर फॉर एनालिसिस ऑफ अटैक एंड फॉर टेकिंग एक्शन. उनका पूरा डेटा और उसके हेडर को भेजकर. Security expert and president of Center for China Analysis and Strategy, Jaydev Rane explained the cyber attack in part of China's strategy event of a war, and the country executes it in 3 phases. अब वो बता रहे हैं कि ये 3 phases में चाइना अटैक कर रहा है. पहला तो कर रहा है मिलिट्री पे, control system in the military and interpreting the network connection in military to the government. दूसरा कर रहा है वो civil network such as electricity, railway and hospital of India. And third कर रहा है वो China cyber attack involved destroying the rest of the network such as targeting financial institution. Rane says that China has not spread anyone in this matter and spared anyone in this matter and is also cyber spying against the अमेरिका. वो इंडिया ही को नहीं अमेरिका को भी स्पाई करा. इसी वजह से अमेरिका ने टिकटॉक को बैन किया और भी ऐप्स उनके बैन किए. India is prepared to deal with cyber attack along with we have delayed it. जबकि उन्होंने इंडिया ने बहुत देर कर दी इस साइबर अटैक को डील करने में क्योंकि उनके बहुत से प्रोडक्ट जो चाइनीज कंपनी लाइक हवाई एंड जेट टी इज एंटर्ड ऑन आवर क्रिटिकल communication system. There will be a threat of cyber attacks at running. उनके ऐसे डिवाइसेस हैं जो हमको the result is that the China can hear us, see us and destroy the network. ZTE and Hawaii are the controlling 60 to 70% of workroom operation, जिसके थ्रू वो हमको सुन सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं और हमारे नेटवर्क को डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. रिस्क ऑफ चाइना साइबर अटैक. The Department of Telecommunication has said that following report of a spike in coordinated cyber attack by Chinese hacker, the Department of Telecommunication has written all web portal and website within its ambit to conduct a security audit and submit a compliance certificate as soon as possible. उन्होंने जितने भी बड़े वेबसाइट थी या उनको कहा कि आप अपना ऑडिट करिए और सर्टिफिकेट को सबमिट करिए कि यू हैव taken the security up to the mark. Most of these attacks are in the nature of distributed denial of the service and exfiltration, remote access tool, malware and keylogging. वो एक स्टेप हमारा फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. तो ज़्यादातर ये डेटा एक्सफिल्टरेशन कर रहे हैं जिससे कि हमें बहुत बड़ा रिस्क है. A pattern we have seen in most of these attacks and malware have CNC, command and control server in China. अब वो क्या करते हैं जब हमारा अटैक करते हैं तो वो उस नेटवर्क को कमांड और कंट्रोल करने लगते हैं जिससे कि सारा अथॉरिटी उनके हाथ में जाती है. इट हैज़ कम डाउन अ बिट. कुछ 10,000 अटैक पर डे कर रहे हैं लेकिन फिर भी कुछ कम हुआ है और अलर्ट कम हुआ है. मेनली उन्होंने टारगेट गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर को बनाया है. गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में इंडियन के जितने गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में जितने बड़े नेता और लोग हैं उन लोगों को टारगेट किया है और उनके सेंसिटिव डेटा को रिट्रीव किया है. A report on possible cyber attack and security aspect of sensitive government website and portal has also been submitted to the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team. An official said DOT has also written to all other minister and department requesting them to migrate their website web portal to the government in domain by August 31st if they had not done so already. लेकिन बहुत से वेबसाइट नहीं ट्रांसफ़र हो पाई. अर्लियर लास्ट मंथ सिंगापुर बेस्ड साइबर सिक्योरिटी फर्म साई फार्मा रिसर्च हैड warned that the Chinese hacker had increased their attack on top Indian government establishment and were trying to collect data from website and web portal of the defense minister and private companies such as Bharti Airtel, Reliance Jio and Sun Pharmaceutical. उन्होंने किसी को भी छोड़ा नहीं है. जितनी बड़ी कंपनी है सब पे अटैक कर रखा है. Last October, a similar letter sent by the DOT to all web portal and website yield no result. In this letter dated October 7th, DOT has said the security audit was necessary for the robustness of the information system and associated network. Letter was sent for the DOT was alert that data exfiltration was taking place from one of the web portal of the ministry and that did not have a valid cyber security audit. Data exfiltration occurs when a malware or a virus gains unauthorized access to any computer connected to the नेटवर्क। टाइम से ना करने से डेटा एक्सफिल्ट्रेशन हो रहा है। द साइबर अटैक ऑन इंडिया आर फ्रॉम चाइना, पाकिस्तान, रशिया, यूक्रेन, वियतनाम एंड नॉर्थ कोरिया। और सबसे ज़्यादा डेटा हमारा नॉर्थ कोरिया के पास है। How can Chinese hacker commit cyber attack on India? Cyber Pharma said that the Chinese can do cyber attack on India in 4 ways. Website defense in. This is a government website is hacked and their visual appearance is changed. Phishing or phishing attack. In this, the hacker send a link via email or message on which the data is leaked as soon as clicked. Backdoor attack. In this, the malware is sent to the hacker computer so that the user can get all the information. Honey trapping. Detective from another country try to talk to the higher level official of the our country and try to extract information either by creating fake profiles or social media, or you can hack the ID of any partner working with them. अब वो फेक आईडी बनाकर आपसे बात करके आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन को निकाल लेते हैं। चाइना इज वॉचिंग पॉलिटिशियन एस्टेब्लिशमेंट 5 PM 2 dozen CM 350 MPs across all parties dominated key influencers tracked। अब हमारे जितने भी पॉलिटिशियन हैं उनमें से 5 PM की 350 चीफ मिनिस्टर की सबकी इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहे हैं, जिसमें से कुछ हैं, जिसमें मोदी हैं, ये सारे सोनिया हैं, ये ममता बनर्जी हैं, बादल हैं और ये सारे मनमोहन सिंह हैं। इन सब की इंफॉर्मेशन को वो ट्रैक कर रहा है, जिससे कि वो और भी हैकिंग कर सके और लोगों के बारे में उनके लिविंग स्टाइल सबके जान के उसके बाद अपना काम कर सके। सो इट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस एंड very informative for the Indian, and Indian must be alert from these hacking. So this, if you like this information, please share and subscribe. Thank you, viewers.